Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So playing a song in Amazon Music is quick. You just need to search for it and tap play. In this guide I will show you step by step how to play a song in Amazon Music and control your music easily, okay? So you can play songs instantly. Premium allows full control, no restrictions. Free version may use shuffle mode, okay? So first thing first, open Amazon Music. Go to the home screen, make sure you are signed in, okay? So now tap the search icon here or the search bar. Type the song name or artist, for example, Blinding Lights, okay? Tap the correct results. Tap the song title, okay? So like this, for example. So the song will start playing instantly, okay? So the mini player appears at the bottom as you can see. So tap the mini player like this. Now you can play, pause, skip, go back, adjust volume. So this is your main control screen, okay? Inside the player, you can shuffle, repeat, add to playlist, like, okay? You can customize how music plays, okay? You can also play from playlist or albums. So alternative method like open a playlist or album, tap any song, playback starts automatically, okay? You can also tap microphone, say play song and say the name, okay? Hands-free playback, okay? So that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.